So you got your shiny new hearing aids, you're walking around, you're feeling pretty awesome, and you're hearing things that you've never heard before. And then, wait a minute, all of a sudden, you look around and you see an Auracast sign, but you have no idea how to connect to it. Well, panic not, in approximately 1 minute's time, you'll be an expert on connecting to Auracast broadcasted audio. So it's worth noting that at the time of making this video, you'll only be able to connect to Auracast using ReSound hearing aids, specifically their Nexia and Vivia family. So to kickstart, firstly open up the Smart 3D app, and at the bottom of the home screen, in bold white writing, you'll see Find a Broadcast. Press here. After a few seconds of searching, a list of available Auracast channels will appear that you'll be able to connect to. Here's the one playing in our clinic, which is called Harley Street Hearing. And then finally, select the stream that you're after, and voila, you'll be hearing either your airport announcements, your bank manager, or even the television directly through your hearing aids. Now, none of this really matters unless you're wearing the right hearing aids for you, and you can check out the latest hearing aids in this video, which I would recommend watching next.